Dear students, you are welcome back to STR, Shivarajan's teaching room. In the last episode, we have been discussing about the population explosion. What is population explosion? See, look at the board. The uncontrolled growth of population is called population explosion. The uncontrolled growth of population is called growth of population is called the population explosion. See, look at these figures. During 1947, when we became independent, our population was only, the population of India was only 35 crores. During 2000, it has grown to 100 crores. Within a short period of 65 years, we have grown more than 2 times. So 100 crores. So during 2020, at this point where we stand now, there is 135 crores people in India. Look at the world statistics. The world population during 1900 was 200 crores. During 2000, it became 600 crores. That means within a period of 100 years, it has attained a growth of 200%. 200% growth is attained in population all over the world. So 1900, 200 crores. 2000, 600 crores. And after a mere 20 years, that is 2020, we have 750 crores of people all over the world. So the population is, from these figures we can see that the population is growing at a very rapid pace or very rapid speed. Look here, if things are going in this way, the country or no country will be able to support the people with their basic needs. So that is population explosion. So what do you mean by population explosion? The uncontrolled growth of population is called the population explosion. See, now we will see the causes of population explosion. What are the causes? What leads into a situation like this? One, there are so many reasons, but out of this, a few very relevant, very important reasons are mentioned here. Number one, improvement in the quality of life. During 1947, during 1900, what was the living conditions of the people? It was very, very poor. Now we have very excellent living conditions. Now we have better living conditions. That means what? Better housing, better clothing, better medical facilities, better hospitals. So everything is improved. So the improvement in the quality of life. So when we were having now we are having all these better living conditions, so we are protected, we are taken care of, so our life extends. We don't die at an age of 40, 45, 50 like that. So we live up to 70, 80 like that. So because of better living conditions. See, in olden days, there will be an epidemic. Like smallpox, a lot of people will die. Then there is plague, a lot of people will die. So every year, a large number of people from some corners of the world, some corners of the country are removed by death. So the improvement in the quality of life, or improvement in the quality of life, is better living conditions, better clothing, better food, better housing facilities, then better medical treatment facilities, better traveling facilities. Everything is included in the improvement in the quality of life. So that is one of the reasons. The second reason is decline in death rate, including maternal mortality and infant mortality. Mortality means death. Maternal mortality means what? The death of the mother during delivery or death of the mother. What is infant mortality? Infant means the baby, the death of the baby. So in olden days, delivery was a very, very difficult thing. During delivery, either the mother will die, that is maternal mortality, or the baby will die, that is infant mortality, or sometimes both the baby and the mother will die. So that was one of the reasons for controlling the population growth. Now, decline due to improved medical facilities, due to improved treatment facilities, hospitals, etc. Decline means coming down. Decline in death rate. Death rate has come down. People are not dying. So, decline in death rate, including what? Including maternal mortality and infant mortality. So, that is the second reason. The third reason is increase in the number of people in a reproductive age. Suppose in earlier days, 100 children are born, or 45-50%, that means 45 children, 50 children will die. So the only remaining 50% will grow up to young people, get married, and they have children. So what happens? Now this infant mortality is very much less. So what happens? All the children are growing up and becoming young ones, and they are getting married and they are also having children again. So what happens? Increase the number of people in reproductive age. So these are the main reasons for population explosion. So we will look into this matter once again. See, what are the causes of population explosion? One, improvement in the quality of life, better living conditions. Second, decline in death rate, including maternal mortality and infant mortality. Third, increase in the number of people in reproductive age. These are the causes of population explosion. Children, you are requested to take down these reasons. What are the causes and the causes mentioned here. Then, now we will see what is the ill effect. What is the ill effect? Or why we should check the growth of population. Need to check. What are the ill effects? It causes the population explosion, causes scarcity of every need. What is every need? What is the every basic need? The people will need food, people need clothing, people need shelter, people need better medical facilities, people need education facilities, people need traveling facilities, people need job facilities. So these are all the basic needs. In olden days, the basic needs was only food, clothing and shelter. Now it is not like that. Beyond these three things, we want job for all, opportunities for job for all, chances for all the people for a higher education, chances for all the people must get very cheap transportation facilities to travel around. So there are so many things. So people are increasing, the population is increasing like that. What happens? The country will not be able to provide the basic needs of the people. So it causes, what causes? Population explosion causes scarcity of every need. So what is the next effect? People become frustrated. As a result, people become frustrated. One want to go for higher studies, but he cannot get the admission because of limited seats. One want to get a job, but he doesn't get it because of limited chances, limited vacancies. Okay, so like that it goes. So people becomes frustrated and engage in antisocial activities. So as a result, the social atmosphere of the society, the social atmosphere of the country will be in danger. So what is the ill effects of population explosion, or what is the need to check the population growth? Causes scarcity of every basic need, people become frustrated, engage in antisocial activities. Now, what are the ways to check? What are the ways to check the population? Every country has to check the population. So, it is with this aim, it is with the aim of checking the population. Checking means the growth is to be arrested, the growth is to be controlled, the growth is to be within our control. So, ways to check ways to control the population the government is planning, and it is with this aim that the government has introduced the two programs. What are they? Family planning and RCH. So through this, the government is propagating the idea in the mind of people about small family norms. Earlier the slogan was the family planning, the Department of Health has introduced a slogan. What was the slogan? We are two and we have two. We are two and we have two. Later it was improved. The slogan was improved. What is the improvement slogan? We are one and we have one. We are one and we have one. So that means we have only one child. One family, one father and mother, one parent must have only one child. If all the family are thinking like that, definitely the population will not increase in an alarming way. So ways to check is one child norm is to be introduced. Then increasing marriageable age. So the marriageable age is increased. Suppose the girl is 18, she can get married legally. The boy is 21, he can get married legally. So 18-year-old girl and 21-year-old boy, they are getting married. Next year they have a child. So then that means the reproductive age in front of them is a long period. So they can have more children. So if the government is increasing the marriageable age, that means the girl is allowed to marry at an age of 21 and the boy is allowed to marry only at the age of 25. That means some extended period. So what happens? 4 or 5 years is reduced from reproduction. So what happens? So increase in the marriageable age is the second thing. Then birth control. What is the birth control? That means birth control by contraceptive method. Contraceptive means there are some natural or artificial. There are some techniques or there are some small devices. There are some medicines. There are some other equipments with which the chances of getting pregnancy from sexual relation, the chances of getting pregnancy from coitus is removed. The chances is removed. You may get into coitus, so you may get into sexual relation. The husband and wife may have a sexual relation, but the sexual relation will not end in pregnancy. So we have certain devices, we have developed certain devices, or there are certain methods by which pregnancy can be avoided. So it is birth control by contraceptive methods. So what are the ways to check population explosion? One child norm is to be introduced among the people, increasing marriageable age of the people, then birth control by contraceptive methods. These are the ways to check the population explosion. So once again we will look into it. What is population explosion? It is the uncontrolled growth of population. Population explosion is the uncontrolled growth of population. And these are the figures. Here are the figures. These figures you have to take care of because these figures explain the population explosion both pertaining to India and the whole world. Then we have analyzed certain things. So what are the causes of population explosion? The causes are: 1. Improvement in the quality of life, better living conditions. Decline in death rate, including maternal mortality and infant mortality. Increase in the number of people in reproductive age. Then what are the ill effects? What are the harmful effects of population explosion, or why we should control population explosion? What is the need to check population explosion? That is, population explosion causes scarcity of every need. People become frustrated and they engage in antisocial activities. So, to have a very peaceful society which support the government for the developmental activities, we have to check, we have to control the growth of population. Then what are the ways to check? What are the ways to check? One child norm, the small family norm is to be introduced. It is aiming at this point that the government has introduced the family planning and RCH. Then increasing marriageable age of the people. Then birth control by contraceptive methods. These are the different ways to check the population. So, dear students, I hope you have understood what is population explosion and what are the causes, what are the ill effects, and how to check it. So, we will see in the next episode. Thank you.